DJI Mavic 2 Pro, best consumer drone available. Got that coming right up. One of the questions I get asked frequently is, what is the best consumer drone available? As many of you know, Valerie and I had the privilege of being able to attend the See the Bigger Picture event last year in Brooklyn, New York, where the DJI Mavic 2 series made its debut.
And in its next iteration, I believe we've created something truly special. Let's take a look. This is the DJI Mavic 2 series.
It was a first-class event held by DJI to announce what I would call the best consumer drone available, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. DJI built upon its great success of the DJI Mavic Pro in a powerful way with such new features as OcuSync 2.0, hyperlapse, auxiliary lighting, tripod mode, a better gimbal design, 8 GB of internal storage, all-around obstacle avoidance, improved flight time, quieter props, and the crowning achievement to me is the Hasselblad 1-inch CMOS camera. Now, my own experience has been nothing short of spectacular. If you had a chance to see my sunset video or my recent video from the abandoned fishing pier, I think they both speak for themselves. And in January, DJI took it up another notch with its DJI Smart Controller. making it easier than ever to get your Mavic 2 Pro up in the air to capture that perfect shot. Now, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro retails for $1,499 USD. The Mavic 2 Pro with a DJI Smart Controller is $1,899 USD. This is something I highly recommend, as the Smart Controller retails for $649 and you'd save $249 by selecting this as a combo. Question of the day. Do you think the DJI Mavic 2 Pro is the best consumer drone available today? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from this video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily highlights regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.